So folks, happy fall day. Today's first day of fall, and Debbie's Kitchen is hosting an open collab for fall foods and beverages. And this is going to be our entry. It's going to be an apple dump cake, and we're going to change it around just a little bit here. The recipe actually called for yellow cake mix. We're going to try butter pecan cake mix, and it actually called for walnuts, and we're going to use pecans. What you'll need 2 cans of apple pie filling. This is some Carolyn's made, and half a teaspoon, I believe it is, of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 things of butter. What we'll do, we'll show you here in just a second. We're going to be pouring this down into our prepared dish. We've greased it. And then what we'll do, put this in there, sprinkle this over top, mix it together. Then all we got to do is pour this on top, cut our butter into slices, set that on top there, and throw it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. And hopefully it's good. Let's get started. Alrighty, just sprinkle on a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. We're going to be mixing this together in just a second. And 1 teaspoon, of course all of our alarms start going off here right as we're talking. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we're going to mix this together. This is real simple, folks. Alright, I'm going to set this out of the way and just sort of mix it all together. And then what we want to do, we want to try it after we get it mixed together here, smooth it out. Boy, the car is going up and down the road today. We got the windows open. You can start to feel falls in the air. Okay. Now, just smooth it out. Alrighty. Just pour in. We don't do no mixing with this here. Just pour your cake mix on top, and then just sort of take your hand, smooth it around, get it pretty even. And you could also on top of here add a little bit of brown sugar if you wanted. Get that down there a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is add the chopped nuts on top. Okay, it's about as good as I'm going to get it, I think, here, folks. Now, let me get the nuts and sprinkle on top. Okay, just take your nuts here now. Sprinkle them around. We'll make sure we got the recipe down in the description. Okay. Now, I've got to cut up the butter in slices and place it on top. Okay. Just cut your butter up there. Place it on top. Try to get it spread around. Now the oven, we've got it preheated ours to 360. We're going to be getting a new oven, folks. This thing here, after we get our new one put in, we'll tell you about all of our experiences with this one here we've had for the last 4 years. I honestly think it should have been recalled, as much trouble as we've had out of this one here. But your oven, you'll preheat it to 350. Okay. Now, Like I said, we're gonna cook this for 35 to 40 minutes. We'll let you know how long ours took. We'll show you the finished product here soon. Alrighty folks, there you have it. This is what it looks like now. I could have took it out just a few more minutes earlier. That'd be good. Alrighty, we got Carolyn a piece here. Give it a try. There goes the scanner.
Delicious. It's like you're having apple pie with a pecan pie. Delicious.
Alrighty folks, you heard her. Apparently it was a success using that cake batter. Alrighty, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Monday. And folks, I'd like to thank Debbie over at Debbie's Kitchen for having this open collaboration.
Go over and see her.
Yep, go over and check her channel out. She's got a great channel. Thank y'all for watching.
You do not have to be good. Even the best of us have been misunderstood. So get up onto your feet. The sun is shining, repentance through the leaf. Its rays will wash you clean. I'm walking slowly, I'm taking my time. All I like are talking is starting to rhyme. Letting go of lonely, letting go of strife. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. You do not have to be known. Even the best of us have sometimes felt alone. This whole world is your home. So reach out your branches, lay your roots back to the soil, and watch the rain help you grow. I'm walking slowly, I'm taking my time. All I like are talking is starting to rhyme. I'm letting go of lonely, letting go of strife. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. Oh, you look so amazing. Your hair, it drives me crazy. Dreaming of God on a sandy shore, saved by amazing grace. Or maybe my lack of faith. The seasons change, but they come back the same. They'll wash you clean with their rain. I'm walking slowly, I'm taking my time. All I like are talking is starting to rhyme. I'm letting go of lonely, letting go of strife. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. Oh, give me all you can.